Hey, did you know you can now mine Bitcoin easily using Telegram? It's super simple, and anyone can do it. All you need to do is click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join. Once you're in, follow the steps, it's really easy. Plus, you'll get a big bonus just for signing up. Not sure how it works? Don't worry, there is a quick tutorial to help you get started. So, don't wait. Click the link, claim your bonus, and start mining Bitcoin today. It is fast, easy, and worth it.
Wonder where we all will go. Hear the whispers, breezes blow. In this peace, our thoughts can grow. Moonlit streets and empty nights, softly drifting, gentle lights. Find our dreams in quiet sights, lost in time till morning's light. Hushed voices, whispers keeping in the corners, shadows sleeping. Far away, the world is weeping. In this moment, we are sweeping. Silent seconds ticking by. Watch the city's gentle sigh. Underneath the starlit sky, in the stillness we can fly. Moonlit street